Hello guys, it's Ayan Wizard. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a easy and simple birdie. So let's get started. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Take your black pencil and trace around the eye. Just like this. And after that, color half of the eye from the bottom and color quarter of the eye from the top. So there will be one long strip which is little above of the middle of the eye. Just like that. And now take your light sun green and color a bit of the eye with that, the strip, and take your medium blue and also color the strip. And then take your white and color the rest of the strip. Now take your medium yellow and then just glaze around the eye with your medium yellow pencil. Now take your light yellow pencil and then again on that put another glaze. You should not blend it, you have to just glaze over it. So there are two layers. Now with your neon yellow, you have to start blending it a little. So you have to blend that glaze, two layers of glaze together nicely. But you should not press that hard because this is not the main blending. Now around the circumference of the eye, you have to make white, like dark lines with your dark yellow pencil like this. And take your light brown and we are going to light brown and dark sand green, and we are going to make a line going across the eye, a curved line like this, using both your light sand green, your dark sand green and your light brown. Now take the black pencil and just shade a little bit with that inside. Just make some textures. Now take your main yellow and expand the yellow more a little bit. And you don't have to make it as dark as the other. You have to just make it a little lighter. Now take your dark sand green and make these kind of feather shapes on the right side of the eye. Just like this. You can move your paper to the side as I did. And the more left you draw the feathers, the more horizontal they have to get. So as you can see, my feathers are getting more horizontal and finally they are just horizontal fully. Now this is the layer 2. In layer 2, you have to just do the same thing but blend it a little bit with your yellow pencil. Your main yellow pencil. Now again, take dark sand green and you have to make this little blob, and it should be a little textureful. It should not be like only like this rectangle shape or something. You should add some like feathery shapes and that all on it. Just like that. And also take a little bit of black to make it a little more darker. Because our bird is gonna be black and white. Now for layer 4, you're gonna take your main yellow and just put a little glaze of yellow, and again do the same thing with layer 5. Take dark sand green. So you're gonna change between dark sand green and main yellow. Now again for layer 6, you're gonna still use the dark sand green, but you're going to make the right side little darker, as you can see. And also make it look like there's a bunch of hair, not like only like strings of hair. Now in layer 7, you have to blend everything together. This is the last layer. Now take your base yellow, and then after that you have to blend it more. So you have to, using the base yellow, you have to blend the yellow with the dark sand green. The white blending was just to blend the dark sand green, but now you're going to blend two colors together. And at the bottom part, you can see that triangle. You have to fill that with a normal yellow also. And now take your dark sand green and make that shape, and also take your base yellow and add on it. Now using your black pencil, you have to make these small spots on the irregular shape. Just like this. Now take your light gray and then you make this beak. So this is the top part of the beak, you can see, and for the bottom part of the beak you're going to use light brown. Now we're going to make this connection between the top and bottom beak with light brown, and we're going to make this extendation, as you can see. Now take your medium yellow and make this chest part of the bird. Now take your dark yellow also, and then we are going to add a little bit of dark above the medium yellow. And make these feathering shapes. Now take your light brown and lightly just put a glaze like that on the feather part. And now take your neon yellow and little bit more at the bottom, you just shade a little bit, and also with your light yellow at the right side. Now take your black, and then after that you're going to make the small strip. It should be irregular a bit, and then take your dark yellow and blend that with the yellow. So you're going to use the dark yellow to blend it with the rest of the yellow. Not like a really good blend. It should be a rough blend. Again, with your base yellow, you're going to shade like this until the top, and in your dark yellow, next to the black parts, you're going to make a little dark, and same with your base yellow again. Now take your light brown and we are going to just blend that with the yellow. And also we're going to make a new strip next to the other strip we made. And take your yellow, dark yellow, and just use it to blend it like we did for the other strip. Now take your dark sand green, and here in this is like the wing part, you make these kind of lines. And now take your light brown, and then after that you make it a little more darker. So yeah, we're going to do more shading at the right side. And then take your yellow pencil and then just kind of blend it. Now you're going to take your light brown pencil and do that shading at the side, and also in the right side you're going to make one line, and then with the white pencil you're going to blend it. Now take your light brown pencil and make two lines like that, and then make a rectangle, and then after that make some lines, and with the light yellow blend it a bit. And in the bottom also make some lines and blend it a bit with yellow, and then next to the rectangle we have to just shade this part, and now we are done.